abortion requires allies. In an ideal world, imagine having someone available 24/7 for abortion seekers. Someone that won't judge and that will help you solve all your abortion-related questions and with reliable resources. Someone that respects your choice no matter what. So, have you met Ali? Ali is the first multilingual chatbot that can offer reliable information at the tip of your finger. Ali speaks English, Ali habla español, Ali parle français, Ali azungumza Kiswahili, and Ali Hindi Bhasha Urdu hai. You can find Ali at howtouseabortionpill.org and comoabortarconpastillas.org. You can also pay her a visit on our Facebook page, or you can simply contact her through her WhatsApp number. Yes, Ali owns a WhatsApp number. You can find her at +1 833 211 2559. Now, let me show you how to interact with Ali. Let's type hello. Okay, let's select number 1. Alright. It's not mandatory to share your location, but let's tell Ali we are in Thailand. Okay, I want to learn more about an abortion with pills, so let's type 1. How to use the pills? Yep, that's my question, so I'll select number 2. What if someone is not sure they are pregnant? Let's choose the pregnancy calculator. Okay, let's try with August 30th, 2022. Oh my god. This is just a small example on how to use Ali, the chatbot. Remember, regardless of your location, everyone deserves access to quality and true abortion information. Okay? Now let's close this session by listening to Rina Lini, the How to Use Program Manager, that would love to share some insights about the website and the future of our friend here, Ali. Talk soon!
We're so glad you got to meet Ali, the Safe Abortion chatbot. Remember, you can chat to Ali 24/7 from any device in any location, and your chats will be private. Ali is available in 5 different languages, and you can access the chatbot from our website, howtouseabortionpill.org, on WhatsApp, or on our Facebook pages. How to Use is an online community of dedicated professionals who aim to equip women with the information they need to safely navigate a medical abortion on their terms. We work to share facts and resources about the abortion pill, such as information you need to consider beforehand, how to get the pill safely in your location, protocols, and other important information. We're happy you got to use Ali, and see you again soon.